Would you consider doing a sealed ball joint style rod end for your adjustable upper control arms like you did for your Dynamic Plus end links? I want your upper B9 adjustable arms, but do not want spherical bearings, NVH, when I drive in winter weather. So a sealed ball joint style rod end is a spherical.
Yeah.
I mean, it's literally that. It's just sealed with grease inside a rubber boot. Our upper arms don't have a lot of NVH because we still use a density rubber bushing on the inside, so you're not going to get a lot of NVH. Winter,
and they are Teflon lined, so it's not a direct. There are some very
Teflon,
economical rod ends that are just metal to metal with some gap there, so you always have a bit of noise. These are very tolerant.
NVH isn't a big problem. The winter weather and the salt dynamic is hard on everything. In general, we use top quality rod ends, and they will last as long as they can. We do supply them with rubber boots to protect them. So we sell a lot of these to people all over the world, including all over in the Rust Belt.
Yeah.
We do offer rebuild kits for them if you ever need to. But at this point, there's no reason for us to do, a sealed rod end. I mean, it's already what we're offering. And actually, what we offer is better than that because it's Teflon lined and much higher load than anything you could get in that format. So, and again, keep in mind with the rubber inner bushings, NVH is basically like stock. There's really no difference. Keep in mind the factory, and inside it looks like this. Just like this.
Yeah, there's really not a lot of difference.
You can go online and see cutouts. It's a metal ball encapsulated in a housing. So